Today we are going to continue our Spring Security application. So in my previous video I explained what exactly happening in JWT authentication filter. So JWT authentication filter, I have user details service where I will get the user details if the authentication token is okay. If it is expired or something, it will throw the exceptions, then is completed, and if username is present and get authentication is equal to null, it will set the authentication after using username password authentication token. That we need to pass user details and also the roles, then authentication set details, WebAuthenticationDetailsSource, buildDetails request, and set authentication, and it will return that. So SecurityContextHolder is a prime location to set authentication details. So that's exactly happening in this class. So we need two methods actually. So we just created dummy method here and get user name from token, and also load by user validate token. So I am going to JWT token class, and we will going to add some class here. So the one that we need is get username from token. So get username from token. Basically I'm going to add something like get username from token. Here we will add some claims. So get subject. So here I need to create this one, name of token. Okay, so here provide this one and create a method. So it will get claim from token. Okay, so get username from token, get claim from token. So here I am getting the old token, and from here what exactly happening is object is not a functional interface, so we have some issues here. So JSON web token lines get subject. So basically get client subject, what exactly we are passing here. So get client from token. Okay, so we actually pass a function interface here, not function interface, function here instead of object. So that we need to change, and we have some modification there also. So I want to replace this with this one. So get claim and also the function. So function, okay. So right now it's fine. So I am just passing get subject function to be this client resolver, and the all token here get all client from token. That's also another method, and I need to add that also. This is exactly a method chain. So we are using single responsibility principle. You need to add this kind of things. So that is fine. Okay, another thing, I need to go here and copy this one here, and I need to change into sign key. So that's the one thing. So right now it's fine. So get all claim from token, receive a token, and it's using JWTs parser, set sign key, get clients, JWS token get body. Okay, so it will actually get all clients from the token. Okay, so what inside claims? That's also a question, right? Claims include issuer, subject, audience, expiration, not before, yeah, something like that. UsernamePasswordAuthenticationToken ID. Okay, these are the claims. So it's actually a map. So it will load everything: issuer, subject, audience, expiration, everything. And that's exactly the claim. So we got claims here. Then we need to add some other methods, I guess. So still it's showing some errors, right? Yeah, I guess so. There is some errors. Okay. Yeah, validate token. We actually not add any method to validate token. So validate token actually what we are trying to achieve here is like we need to add this. So I have auth token here and this token is there. So here get username from token, it will receive the username, and username is equal to this token is there. That's another method. Probably call another method also. So I am defining that method here. So each token is there. So validate token, I will get the token and also the user details, and I will take username, and after getting the username I will try. Okay, I'm getting username from token, and also I will compare that with userDetails username. Then I need to check whether this token is there. So this token is there. I have this date field and get expiration from token. That's actually I need to have another method. Get, where is that? Get expiration from token. So get expiration from token, also called another method. So basically I don't know whether we need a constructed chain here and a method chain here. Get claims from token, so it will get claims method. So that's actually, yeah, we need that. We need method chaining because we are using the same for get username, not get username, for the validate token, and also the other public method get username from token. So both using the same method. That's why we are using the constructed chain. So right now I guess I have do generate token. There is one do generate token. I don't know where we exactly using do generate token. We need do generate token. Generate token. There should be a public string generate token method. Anybody see that? I don't know whether we are calling that here. Okay, that's exactly another method that we need. So in this one we have get username from token and also validate token. There are the two methods that we are using in JWT authentication filter, but we need another method. We need another public method that's called generate token. For this one we should pass a user, and to generate token is the method. So I will discuss this in next video, since already past 9 minutes right now. So I am thinking I will stop here. I will talk later about generate token. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.